In this video, I will give you a full review and tutorial of the Metamask app, from setting up a wallet to making your first transactions. Without any further delays, let's get right into it. When you first open the Metamask app, you'll be presented with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you have a wallet on another platform, such as the Metamask browser extension, you can import it using your seed phrase. For this video, however, I will create a new wallet from scratch. After you've read and accepted the terms, it's time to create a password. This is what you'll use whenever you're making a withdrawal or trade from your Metamask app. So make sure to pick something that you'll remember. Next up, it's time to write down your recovery phrase, which is what you'll need in case you switch phones or forget your password. Store it somewhere safe, preferably in an offline environment such as a piece of paper. Now that we're all set up, let's go over the wallet's features. The first screen you'll be presented with is your wallet menu. Here you'll be able to see your coins and NFTs. Tapping a coin will let you see its price history, as well as send, receive, buy, and swap it. Pressing receive will give you your wallet address as well as a QR code that others can scan for quick and easy transfers. Tapping send will let you enter a wallet address you want to send crypto to, and it also comes with a handy QR scanner that you can use to scan other people's wallets. The buy menu will give you a few different options to buy crypto directly in the Metamask app. Simply select your payment method, enter the amount you wish to buy for, and Metamask will check its affiliated exchanges for the best rate. Keep in mind that these in-app purchases come from third-party providers that can charge hefty card fees, and you'll also be subject to the network fee of transferring the bought coins to your Metamask wallet. I would probably recommend that you buy crypto on a trusted exchange and transfer it to your wallet manually, but this is a cool feature nevertheless. Finally, Swap will let you make DeFi swaps right in the Metamask app. If you're completely new to crypto, keep in mind that DeFi swapping is nothing like trading on exchanges. It happens on a decentralized platform and comes with more advanced aspects such as slippage and network fees. I will likely make a video on DeFi swapping in the future, so if you want to learn more about that, you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel. With that being said, the last feature on the wallet menu you should be aware about is token imports. When we first opened up our Metamask wallet, you likely noticed that we only had Ethereum available in our listed assets. Pressing import tokens will let you search for other coins that you would like to display on your menu. Simply find the coin you would like to add and press import. As you can see, it will now show up on our menu. Next to the wallet menu is the transactions history. This is pretty straightforward. Here you'll be able to see your previous deposits and withdrawals in a listed format. The blue button in the middle covers the same features that I went through in the wallet menu, that is buying, swapping, sending, and receiving coins. And next to that is the browser menu. Here you'll be able to browse the web for external apps and websites that you would like to connect your wallet to. For example, swapping services like Uniswap. Finally, we have the settings menu. Here you'll be able to switch language and which currency you want displayed in the wallet section. You can also change your password and add security features such as auto-locking the app after a period of inactivity. There's also the option to add contacts for quick and easy transfers and contact customer support in case you run into any trouble. All in all, the Metamask wallet is pretty much an established standard for anyone who wants to purchase NFTs, stake, and swap on the Ethereum network. The app follows a very clean structure, quite similar to that of the Trust app, which I also have a video about on my channel if you're interested. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or feedback on this video, I would love to hear it, so please leave me a comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.